Hello. This May, the Norton Public Library and the Trinitarian Congregational Church will be featuring a variety of free lectures and talks for those interested in world history and geography. First, on Tuesday, May 19th, from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., the Norton Public Library presents Revolutions and Banana Wars, U.S. Intervention in Latin America from the Monroe Doctrine to the Cold War. This lecture, led by popular speaker Paulo Di Gregorio, explores the complex and often controversial 200 years relationship between the U.S. and its southern neighbors. Casual enthusiasts and history buffs alike should enjoy this informative presentation by a notorious and favored local scholar. Next, on Thursday, May 21st at 7 p.m., the Trinitarian Congregational Church will present another Armchair Adventure. Armchair Adventures is a monthly program where guests may explore a variety of world locations from the comfort of your chair. Beata Schmid will take guests on a photo journey to the country of Spain with a special walk through Andalusia. There will be a question and answer period as well as refreshments following the presentation. And lastly, on Wednesday, May 27th from 1 to 2 p.m., the Norton Public Library will present When Better Cars Are Built, a history of Buick motor cars. Retired engineer Stanley Foreman will take guests on a journey of General Motors and illustrate their 100-plus years of fine art and automotive styling. Car enthusiasts and those interested in some of the more recent history of a classic American company are sure to enjoy this event. For those interested in events happening at the Norton Public Library, the library is located at 68 East Main Street in Norton. You may visit online at nortonlibrary.org for additional information about these or any other upcoming event. And for those interested in events happening at the Trinitarian Congregational Church, the parish is located at 2 Pine Street in Norton. For additional information on this and future events, you may visit online at tccnorton.org. Check back often to stay informed about future events and happenings in the town of Norton. Thank you.